Disney, the magical kingdom of animated stories and fairy tales, has always been a place where dreams come to life. It's famous for its beloved characters, enchanting stories, and mesmerizing theme parks that have delighted people for years. From Snow White to Frozen to Little Mermaid, Disney has always amazed us with its animations. But guess what? Disney is surprising everyone by stepping into a whole new world, the world of artificial intelligence. Beyond the fairy tale castles and talking animals, Disney is diving into the future where technology and imagination meet. This unexpected move has got both fans and skeptics buzzing with curiosity about Disney's venture into the exciting realm of AI. So let's take a look at how Disney is now making its mark in the ever-changing world of artificial intelligence. As we all know, in recent months, there has been remarkable progress in the development of AI robots, and today, we're going to take a look at an extraordinary event that hasn't received the attention it deserves, and that is the unveiling of Disney's AI robots. The event took place at the IROS conference in Detroit. Disney Research showcased their latest creation, and my friends, it's truly remarkable. Picture a child-sized robot that not only walks but also expresses emotions while in motion, reminiscent of a Disney animation coming to life. The robot you see on the screen is incredibly emotional, possessing its own character, a sense of adventure, and wonder. While this robot could potentially serve as a blueprint for a robot like R2-D2, what's noteworthy is that Disney appears to be ahead of some major players in the AI field when it comes to crafting advanced and aesthetically pleasing robots. What brought Disney's robot to my attention, and that of many AI enthusiasts, is the use of cutting-edge technology. Remarkably, this new robot is entirely 3D printed and was developed in less than a year. The team's key strategy for accelerating development was a clever one. They opted for off-the-shelf actuators combined with 3D printed components. This approach allowed them to tweak, modify, or replace parts much more swiftly compared to traditional manufacturing methods. In essence, Disney is not just entertaining us with animations, they are also pushing the boundaries of AI and robotics in the real world. In their quest for innovation, Disney Research has harnessed the power of computer simulations and the sophisticated technique of reinforcement learning to expedite the intricate process of designing and testing their latest creation. This cutting-edge methodology empowers the artificial intelligence of the robot to execute seamless movements across a spectrum of real-world challenges, from negotiating slippery surfaces to navigating uneven terrains, all while preserving its distinctive character. The robot, equipped with the ability to continuously learn and fine-tune its motions, adeptly adjusts to dynamic variables like motor functions, weight distribution, and ground interactions. Ruben Grandia, an associate research scientist at Disney Research, underscored the departure from traditional manual programming for motion transitions. Instead, the robot autonomously learns these transitions through an exhaustive array of simulated scenarios, delicately refining its responses. It's akin to endowing the robot with the capacity to distill wisdom from its experiences and dynamically apply that knowledge in real-time situations. While Disney remains tight-lipped about the prospect of park visitors encountering this marvel, the investment in such advanced technology suggests more than a mere showcase. What renders this new Disney robot truly exceptional is its departure from the paradigms of its mechanical counterparts. Disney's current robotic arsenal consists of animatronics, relegated primarily to scripted entertainment in theme parks, movies, and television. These animatronics adhere to predetermined or remotely orchestrated movements. In stark contrast, the humanoid robots, exemplified by Disney's latest creation, possess an artificial intelligence prowess that transcends mere mechanization. These robots can interpret data, learn from experiences, and dynamically adapt to novel challenges. Responsive to environmental shifts, these robots stand out as trainable and reprogrammable entities, poised to execute a diverse array of tasks with a nuanced, human-like finesse. And before we move further, if you're enjoying it so far, make sure to give this video a like and consider subscribing if you want to watch more content like this one. In a viral YouTube video, Atlas showcased remarkable mobility, effortlessly navigating snowy landscapes and lifting hefty packages. What distinguishes Atlas is its adaptability to changes in its surroundings. Faced with disruptions, Atlas smartly adjusts its actions. This responsiveness is a testament to sophisticated programming. Disney's robotic creations are gaining attention because they hint at a potential new era in advanced robotic technology when coupled with AI. While Boston Dynamics currently leads the charge, there's speculation that Disney might catch up in the coming years. Picture a future where Disney introduces robots surpassing even the capabilities of those developed by Boston Dynamics. The combination of Disney's animatronics and cutting-edge AI has the potential to redefine the landscape of advanced robotics, opening doors to unprecedented possibilities. Disney has unveiled a groundbreaking robot that not only performs tasks efficiently but also expresses emotions seamlessly. This innovation sets a precedent for the future of robotics, suggesting a shift towards robots not just as mere task performers, but as emotionally engaging companions. Delving into Disney's robotics research facility through an old video on YouTube recorded 4 years ago, it becomes evident that Disney has been investing in robot technology for quite some time. While watching the video, you might initially think they're just tossing the robot around, but remarkably, it consistently lands perfectly. This raises the exciting possibility that in the near future, the robot might not even need the protective casing it currently relies on. The details of how they plan to achieve this remain uncertain, adding an element of intrigue to the technological advancements Disney is exploring. Beyond this, Disney has already showcased impressive robots like the Spider-Man robot executing jumps in their theme parks, and Judy, a robot displaying acrobatic prowess at a recent Disney conference. Witnessing these feats prompts speculation about the future possibilities Disney's robotics division might unfold. It's noteworthy that an entertainment company is competing head-to-head with major AI companies in the field, demonstrating the surprising depth of Disney's AI and robotics division. In recent months and years, a noticeable trend has emerged with various companies vying for a share of the burgeoning robotics industry, which is anticipated to be worth trillions in the future. The competition underscores the strategic positioning of companies as they recognize the potential and significance of humanoid robots in shaping the future landscape of technology. Many different companies are taking their robot development in many different ways. Some are using it for commercial applications, while others are building these robots for entertainment purposes. Some of the companies that we do know, like Tesla, have already debuted their robots at conferences, and they've actually shown us in recent updates that they're quite promising in terms of the early results. And there are many other companies that are lining up to release their humanoid robots in the near future. The only problem that many of these companies do face is, of course, reliability. If some of these AI robots that do have their own autonomous behavior manage to make a severe mistake, the lawsuit floodgates could open up. And that is one thing that these companies aren't going to be fond of right now. Every company is trying to get into the race of becoming the market leader of the robotics industry, and the industry is still very young to predict anything for certain. So we'll just have to wait and see how things go in the world of robots. No matter what, one thing is certain: this industry will evolve at a fast pace, just as we saw the mobile phone industry completely revolutionized in the past 20 years. The same will be the case with the robotics industry, with companies like Boston Dynamics, Tesla, and Disney stepping into this industry. Who knows where we'll be standing in the next 20 years? If you enjoyed today's video, leave a like and check out our other videos as well. Also subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications to watch similar videos like this one.